free for fight. Hello all. What the fuck, dude? Hey, seriously. Bullshit. I mean, I understand this combination, everything's good, right? And there is the part. What I have to do in dealing done? Controller's perfect good, 100% be there. Eh? What this game wants from us? It's like you're driving a car, you have no gear shift, but you actually have to drive it, and it's manipulated automatical, and something is not gone wrong. Actually, I'm sorry. There is something missing. Or that's the speed actually pedal. Or something this crack. You can't handle. Why? Is that only for PC users? These holes? I am a PlayStation 4 Pro user. And this is actually a game that 5 years old. Pressing 3 times to... Is there a waiting button or you have to... And drifting, okay, I can say, okay, use my handbrake, the throttle or something to go into the corner. What is this in here? I'm pressing 3 buttons? I do. Deal done. In 5 generations, I had to overtime thinking it's not even working. Okay. Warner Brothers, are you retarded or something? So pressing these buttons doesn't matter. You're a ghost. You're just doing yourself some combinations in the air. He didn't hit actually some combinations into your facial opponent. I'm confused. Doesn't matter what I'm pressing. It not works. Actually what they want to do. Deal done. Shall we do pressing L2 and stuff? Ugh. You know, I'm going to the toilet. I'm shitting myself off. This game sucks. I mean, already in the practicizing. Hello? Na 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 na. Na 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 na. So, what's on? Makes no sense what I'm doing in here. Cause I'm pressing the buttons, nothing happened here, right? This is so fucked up. Well. Did we? That's bullshit, right? It's bullshit. I'm really trying to press the button. Okay, the button combination is like this one. Oh, it's working! You have to press it very fast! On the control system, it's impossible. Oh, gosh. Some... Well... Combat attack training complete. I'm so tired. Actually, I don't have music in my ears now. If you find your opponent playing definitively, execute throw. Throw cannot be blocked. What? Throws cannot be blocked? Are you out of my mind? There are two possible ways to execute a throw. Yeah, I know them, but what the fuck? Mortal Kombat 10, throws cannot be blocked? You kidding me? But actually you can block them or seemingly awfully, slicely delete them. Like an uppercut or something, this crack. Are you kidding me? If you're playing the Mortal Kombat online, you just get all the times fucked up, these bros. That is not true. Welcome, Varmos. This is so bullshit. Sometimes it happens, sometimes ain't happened. Peacock! The fuck, I'm doing this. Hello? Oh yeah, now I got it. My rage. fuck?
Behold my power.
Yeah, you have the fruit. Okay, this combination is tricky. You have to press the L1 and then doing actually a quarter button, X button, R2. What the fuck? Why are they saying actually you only have to press quarter button, X button, R2 button? What the fuck is that? You have to press before L1. Oh, assholes. So what? I can't do that at the same time. It's not possible. Uh-huh. Yeah, but because my control system is maybe broken. Ah, this is so bullshit, this game. Oh, okay, that's my control system had to be accurately 100%ly. It is because it's a drift controller. It's a drift controller. And more than 45% is gone. What kind of a shit is this? Yeah, and now, wow, wonderful. You're standing in front of wood. Over here! Now, getting this done. Son of a bitch, I don't know. Yeah, I'm pressing this one. Hello? Yeah, what kind of shit is this? What shit is this? I'm pressing R2. I'm not a retard, right? I'm pressing 100 times. Oh gosh, this game is so retarded. Wow. Execute school. Left, right, quarter button, and at the same time I'm pressing R2. What do you want from me? I am doing R2 all. What the fuck? What the want? This game sucks. Fuck off. Seriously, fuck off. Oh dear lord. $100 million times. That's L1, not R2. L2, not R2. L2. Fuck off, assholes. This is L2, not R2. Now I found it out. It's L2, not R2. You son of a... You fucking Warner Brothers assholes. You can't even program a game. You fuckers. You're seriously a fuck off assholes. This game is so fucked up. Okay. Just, you know, fight with your feelings and not against or so. That's why so many people's actually manipulating this game. Not cheating, they're manipulating because R2 is L2 because American, European assholes like pounds, like in American, they say maybe European, dollars and pounds in America, the Great Britain, and all these stuff is coming together right now. So the European version is a piece of shit. Buy the American version, and you are totally right. Buy the, kind of these Great Britain, Indonesia, and maybe Chinese version. They may be good as well, but the European version, press R2, they say, you have to press L2. What? They didn't? Oh, you son of a... This game is out since 8 years. Couldn't do something in deal and done with German. They hate German. America hate German. Fuck you, America, with your Silicon Island and Google Drive, Facebook, WhatsApp, and all this shit. And you saying TikTok is forbidden for America? A little Chinese in your fucking American life, you son of a fox. Seriously, America is a piece of shit, mate. There's just actually living frauds, Portuguese, Germans, and little Italians in there. And they're thinking America is so great. Your grandfather was German, you asshole. Maybe conflicted in the First World War, you fucker. I can't believe how I'm so in hate in this fucking one of shit brothers and penners, Sonic and whatever they want. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. US, fuck yourself. Not even capitalism. I hope they're bombing the world down. I hope they're doing. When the fucking sacrifice actually falling down on Putin's whole world needs to get actually help. And it's just America. America has not a power. I've seen peoples from Marines that can't even handle itself. Oh my gosh. They're having big muscles, but can't actually weighting something on his shoulder. You losers. What is wrong with America? Fat fucking sugar country. Fuck off. Pah, my gosh. Sometimes I'm thinking we have to go direction of Russia. The training naturally his fucking body system. They know what's going on. America is so fucking people's pranking and actually doing something. Solutions is, I have big muscles like Arnold Schwarzenegger. You are a fucking cheap motherfucking cheat. Yeah, America is just a piece of crack. Seeing actually Chinese doing 112 silos actually. Meanwhile in the desert, America don't care. But America should be care because America is with actually kind of 45 with these rockets dead. So America can't even handle this one. So that means European is all the times a little bit in the middle point, and we the motherfuckers, we dying because America makes all the times mistakes, fails, and kind of these re-swapping over Taiwan Chinese. Oh, there was a flight over. You motherfucking Americans, you like to make what? What are you doing? Deal done. Your personality is shit. If I seen Europeans, Italy, Letland or something, Finland or something, the shit, you Americans are real shit. Seen Canada? Seen the Mexicanos? Delaware? I see Americanos? These motherfuckers are terrorists! They bombed Japan! They want to do a deal and done actually with China? And the point is reached right now. America is motherfucking what? 80% going to military because they're incapacitated actually with his dick. They can't even do something. They have slaves from Africa. They make comedians. And they really want to go to war against the whole world? MK11 German, Bavarian. You don't even know where Germany is in the fucking European map. I know where's Minnesota. I know everything about down and sound down. This shit. I don't know what I'm gonna talk about that one. Seriously, is motherfucking America. Yeah, we have South Dakota, North Dakota. We have Miami, this shit. Hey, you slop ass. You know where Germany is? You know where the best tank comes from? Go fuck yourself, America. You're living in an illusion. At best of this fucking, Google. We're going actually to Silicon Island. And Silicon Island is like San Francisco in the hippie time of 1960s. You son of a idiots. America is a piece of shit land right now. Not about the president. The president is actually handling it like, kind of the Falcon just came into a dryer or something, came out every day. Poor America, your proudest piece of shit. Your Marines are piece of shit. Everything is piece of shit of your. You think you're specialists. You just actually kind of peoples in Bulgaria, Slovakia. They're just marrying actually 8-year-old girls. Like you peoples are raping actually the whole countries on all over the world. So I hope you're dying with that. You hope you're dying with that. Doesn't matter about religion. I hope America die with his fucking shit. He's producing electronicity, internet, military, thinking he's police might. America has nothing word. Have no McDonald's anymore. Burger King. Kentucky Fried Shit Chicken. You're producing and doing and you're thinking you are just plastic world. Sorry. If I see people from Russia, how they're living, this is actually like 1990 or something, and you are actually maybe 2035 or something, you overreacting, and your Pentagon is a piece of shit anyway, it's a dulldie, and you are just killed your own persons, 5,000 peoples in the Twin Towers. I can't believe it. You killed your own peoples. And it was Islamistic status. They just did that. You killed your own peoples. You ordered them to fly into the towers. America, piece of shit land, and then we make a great wall against Mexico. Okay, you assholes. Okay, Germany makes a lot of money actually by weapon lobby from America, drug dealing from America, making weapon lobbying to actually going down the Chile or something with these weapons, making a lot of money. And the drugs coming over Netherlands and actually goes to European. Oh, everything's good. America is the piece of shit. Pure actually evil. How you can live with that? Tyson, come over here. You thinking you can fuck the shit out of me? I need only 6 steps and you dead. Fuck this shit, America. Seriously. Brought nothing. Just cheating all the times. Whatever they want. This is unbelievable. If I see actually South America, seeing actually Africa, seeing the European, but playing football, we say football! Not soccer, you suckers! Football is for beginners! Rugby is the real thing, you motherfuckers! That's from Australia and Great Britain, you suckers! You just are poor suckers in a fucking vacation. You can say, oh my god, grown up, I'm the best, I have a room with a toilet in there. Seriously? With wood? Tornado is coming, right? You're so idiots. It's kind of, I'm living for one or to another. See Japan. See Russia. See Indonesia. Even this India. I can't believe how you just killed so many people. And you say Adolf Hitler is the worst person on all over the world? Saw the Mongolese guy? Saw it actually the happening happened? And America to kill a lot of peoples to go, we American now. We are so proud. Fuck America. They're stealing countries. They're stealing countries. Like Russia trying to do. UdSSR. But that doesn't matter. America is a piece of shit of land. I hope you're dying hard. And with all these diseases you get and needs to be. Because you didn't shit about coronavirus. You didn't shit about all over the world. You shit of yourself. Look at this country, America. I hate Russia and I hate in the same time double times US, the motherfucking asshole. Assholes car, whatever you. I like only your cars, and that's it. Built it up by actually the Germans, by the BMW construction, facility. But it doesn't matter, you assholes. You can't even build up our own car. Oh gosh. America is so delusional. I hope these drug dealers are just pointing into so much stealing and surgery and just getting the needles into your arms, you motherfuckers. Unbelievable. Oh, is this recording? Oh, I'm so sorry, Americans. Blah, blah. Nothing comes anyway. America is a piece of shit land. Trying to control everything and all over the world. Can't deal. They can't even handle themselves. Shooting every day is like 1,390 or something. They have shootings. If I see European Asians, they don't want to do that because they have other methods actually to do that. Deal and done. Well, America is like South America and North America don't want to, but they're American peoples, not Mexican. That's the weird thing. Salvatrucha never came over there. It's the American peoples to shoot each other. America is the hotspot for actually getting the atom bombs done. First. When they coming over? But Russia, blah 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 blah, like America, blah 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 blah. So bullshit everywhere. So go fuck yourself. And we in Europe, we are the people's actually dying in here. Oh well, shut up.
tremor.
Kano's. Domestic.
Nina's concubine.
Her deadliest ally.
Round 1, fight. I will crush you.
Millions of years ago, Shinnok, one of the Elder Gods, turned on his fellow deities and invaded the Earthrealm. Raiden and the Elder Gods stopped Shinnok, locked him up in the Netherrealm. Others followed in Shinnok's footsteps, like Outworld's Emperor Shao Kahn, who was obsessed with conquering Earthrealm. So Raiden convinced the Elder Gods to enact the Mortal Kombat tournament as a way to even the odds, give Earthrealm a chance. For generations, Shao Kahn followed the Elder Gods' rules. The war moved to the arena, where he sent his toughest fighters to challenge Raiden's greatest